Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Will be so happy. I hope you'll have good health. My wish is for you to always be safe wherever you're going. Tita Jin, I love you so much, Tita Jin.
Okay, Mama turn.
Happy birthday, Jin. Peace.
Anderson turn.
Tita Jin, I'm 6, so
Happy birthday.
happy birthday, Tita Jin. I hope you have a good birthday, Tita Jin.
Okay. Hi, Jean. Ito na, yung pinaka-inaantay.
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Jean. Okay? Alam mo na yun, yung wish ko sa'yo. Okay? More than anything else. So, be it. Okay? Manage it. All the best sa kaarawan mo. Okay? Always good health.
Always
Be humble. Okay?
be
Of
careful
what you
you're
have.
doing.
Keep always safety, healthy. Okay? So, tomorrow or start tonight. Drink until you drop. Okay? But,
No,
wag mo na pauwiin yung mga bisita mo ng maaga, ha? Kagaya. Okay? Antay mo na matapos. Okay, Jean. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jin. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Okay. Hi, Besh. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Besh. Enjoy your day and drink too much until you drop.
Happy birthday, Besh. I wish you all the happiness.
Me
And
too.
enjoy your day. Be happy always. More success. And always remember that we're always here for you. And I'm happy if you're happy. And you deserve all the happiness in the universe. I love you,
Your
Besh.
Besh talking too much. Happy birthday, Besh.
Happy birthday, Tita Jin.
Happy birthday, Zah!
Oh my God. So sino, Gab? Ikaw muna mag-start.
Happy birthday po, Tita Jean. Love you.
Talagang.
Happy birthday, Tita Jean. More pakain to come.
Happy birthday, dude. Love you. I love you. I love you very, very much. Mwah.
Mary Jean, you are so precious. You are madam. Ikaw na talaga ang nanalo. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, we love you so much. Kasi you are the great, sexy, beautiful, mabait. So, you need to focus straight ka na your life. Happy birthday. We love you so much. God bless. Good health.
Jai, happy birthday, Jai. Bisa di ka kabasabot sa Bisaya, Jai. Pero palangga kay di ka, Jai. Pag-uutan ng permi, Jai. Basta maura to love
nanalo
kay
na.
di ka, Jai. Muama. Dami yung grr. Sige na, okay na.
Dami ang grr.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita G.
Happy birthday, GD!
Tita G.
Hope you have a good day.
Oh, what else is...
Okay, GD! Bye!
Wait.
Bye, GD!
Wait, I want to say something. Happy birthday, Jean. Enjoy your day.
Me too.
And,
My God,
sorry
that's-
for my voice. Ang daming ganap dito. So, I wish all the love in the world, which is, I know you have naman now. You're in good hands with Metro Bank. So,
Also-
enjoy your day. Enjoy your day and God
Enjoy your
bless.
day and God bless.
Stay kind and stay sweet.
Kindly kind, GD siya!
Okay, bye-bye. God bless. Birthday niya kahapon. Ito yung nakuha
Bye,
niya.
GD siya! Bye, GD siya! Bye,
17
GD siya!
4,000 pesos. 4,150. Pinautang niya ako ng 100. Umutang ako.
Bye,
Pinautang
GD
naman
siya!
niya ako.
Bye,
Babayaran ko daw in 3
Bye.
months. Bye-bye.
Bye, GD siya!
Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hello, Jean. Oh, meron ka na, ano? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, baby. wish you all the best in life. Ganun. Pasensya na, napag-utusan na, hindi napaghanda. Pero, pati si Gab sa likod ko, natatawa eh. Wala, problema. Yeah, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Long life, ganun. Tapos, sana, magtatagal tayo, ganun. Kahit na alis ako, lagi naman nasa isip at puso kita. Ganun. So, kapit lang. Ganun. Okay? So, yun nga. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Happy